Hello there, my name is Lily, and today I'm going to show you how to hide your Snapchat score. So let's get started right away. Right now, I'm on Snapchat, and as you can see, this is my Snapchat score. If I wanted to hide it, there are just two options. Whenever I'm attempting to hide that from the public, all I want to do is to tap on this gear icon over here to go to the settings and then scroll down to where you can just see who can contact me, view my story, see my location, etc. Select who can contact me. So right now it's on everyone, so everyone can see my Snapchat score. But when it's just on my friends, no one other than my friends can see my Snapchat score. However, when I get out of this and would like to hide my Snapchat score from all my friends or a particular person, the one and only option to do that is to block or remove that friend or friends from my Snapchat. There is really no other option to just hide your score from everybody. So whenever you don't want a particular individual to see it, you'll either have to remove that person or block them. To do just that, go over to my friends. So if I wanted to hide it from Mr. Goatsman over here, I tap on his profile icon, and then these three dots at the top right-hand side of the screen, and then I'd block them or remove them as my friend. When you block somebody, they won't be able to view your things even if they search for your username. And there's also a very obvious difference between being blocked and being removed. However, it's the only process that does just that. They won't see your score if you block or remove them, so there's no way around this one anyway. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. If not, don't forget to like and subscribe.